section will address customer concerns that the connector center pins break too easily or the interface shows excessive wear early in the life of the product. Most cable assemblies use SMA or Type N, but all Times Microwaves connectors for silverline are stainless steel. We don't use any brass in the interfaces. Steel provides long life. With proper care, our SMA and Type N is rated for 5,000 mates. The SMA has a thick wall interface, which is less susceptible to crushing from over-tightening. Our Type N has a single-piece collet, precision quality product that works to 18 gigahertz. The center pins on all the connectors are captive contact construction. Using this type of construction assures that the center pins remain dimensionally sound. They don't rotate, they don't go high or low, or move off center.